Tiny noses. Big trouble understanding stuffy noses in kids. Stuffy noses are a common childhood ailment that can cause significant discomfort. They happen when the nasal passages become inflamed and filled with mucus, often due to colds or allergies. This can make it difficult for little ones to breathe, sleep, or eat comfortably, affecting their overall well-being. As a parent, it's heartbreaking to see your child struggling with a stuffy nose, especially when they are too young to understand what's happening. The good news is that most stuffy noses are caused by viral infections and typically clear up on their own within a few days, without the need for medical intervention. However, it's important to understand the various causes of stuffy noses, such as colds, allergies, or even dry air, and provide appropriate relief to ease your child's discomfort. In this guide, we'll explore some easy and effective solutions to help your child breathe easier and feel better faster, including home remedies and over-the-counter options. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are plenty of ways to support your little one through a stuffy nose, ensuring they stay comfortable and happy. The usual suspects, common culprits behind those sniffles. So, what causes those pesky stuffy noses in the first place? The most common culprit is the common cold. Colds are viral infections that can cause inflammation in the nasal passages, leading to mucus buildup. Allergies are another frequent offender, triggering an immune response that results in, you guessed it, more mucus. Dry air, especially during the winter months, can also irritate nasal passages and contribute to stuffiness. And let's not forget about those tiny but mighty irritants, dust mites, smoke, and even strong perfumes, all of which can make those little noses even stuffier. Breathing easy again. Simple solutions for stuffy nose relief. Dealing with a stuffy nose can be quite uncomfortable, especially for little ones. Now that we know what we're dealing with, let's talk about relief. There are several effective methods to help alleviate nasal congestion. The first line of defense is often the simplest saline drops. These drops are easy to use and can be found at any pharmacy. These gentle drops help to thin out the mucus, making it easier for your child to breathe. They are safe and can be used multiple times a day. Another helpful tool is a humidifier. This device can be especially useful during dry winter months. Humidifiers add moisture to the air, which can soothe irritated nasal passages and loosen mucus. This can make a big difference in your child's comfort. For babies who are too young to blow their noses, a bulb syringe can be a lifesaver. Well, not literally, but you know what I mean. It's a simple yet effective tool. Gently suctioning out mucus can help them breathe and sleep more easily. This can be done a few times a day as needed. And don't underestimate the power of a warm bath. It's a great way to relax and relieve congestion. The steam from the bath can work wonders in loosening congestion and providing some much-needed relief. Plus, it's a soothing experience for your child. Section 4. Choosing the right remedy. Saline drops, humidifiers, and more. When choosing saline drops, opt for ones specifically designed for infants or children. Look for preservative-free options to minimize any potential irritation. When using a humidifier, be sure to clean it regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions to prevent mold and bacteria growth. For bulb syringes, always use gentle suction and avoid inserting the tip too far into the nostril. And remember, a warm bath can be soothing and comforting, but never leave your child unattended in the water, even for a moment. Section 5. When to worry. Recognizing the signs of a more serious issue. While most stuffy noses are harmless and resolve on their own, it's important to be aware of the signs that might indicate a more serious issue. If your child has a high fever, is unusually fussy or lethargic, or has difficulty breathing, seek medical attention immediately. Other red flags include green or yellow mucus discharge that persists for more than a week, ear pain, or a persistent cough. Trust your instincts. You know your child best. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to reach out to your pediatrician or healthcare provider. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your child's health and well-being. Remember, it's always better to be cautious and seek advice if you're unsure. Your child's health is paramount. By staying informed and vigilant, you can ensure your child gets the care they need when they need it most. Section 6. A parent's best tool. Trusting your instincts and seeking medical advice. Navigating the world of stuffy noses and childhood illnesses can feel overwhelming at times. Remember, you're doing a great job. By following these simple tips and trusting your instincts, You can help your little one breathe easy and feel better soon. And always remember, when in doubt, reach out to your child's doctor for personalized advice and guidance. They're your partners in keeping your little one happy and healthy.